You've been watching this channel. We've been working on this truck. We bought it. It was stolen. And the person painted the bumper that was on here. You notice I took that off because I'm reworking that. But they painted it while it was on the truck. And so we have a lot of overspray on this grill. The emblem's really faded, kind of bubbling here. So we got a new one. They're just plastic. They're cheap. It's like $130 for a brand new one. You know, I thought about painting this one, but I don't know. I think all it is, you've got these little tiny bolts up top, and there's just four. 1, 2, 3, 4. And my new one is on the way. The reason I'm taking this one off before the new one gets here is because I want to do the headlight restoration, make a video about that. And I also would like to do the paint correction up here, so then I can put everything back together pretty quick here and move on to my life. All right, so then that pops out from the top. The bottom is clips. You have one clip in the middle right here. Let me see if I can get lower. Maybe you can see that right there. But anyways, there's one here, 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 and here. Maybe there's 5. Okay. So, a couple of my clips got stuck in here. Pull those out with the screwdriver. I hope the new one comes with these clips, but if it doesn't, I'll hold on to this old grill until I put the new one in. To get these out, I'm just going to dig my knife into the top there, pull it out like that. You could probably use a screwdriver too, but the knife is what I had in my pocket. Ready for the new one. Grill assembly. Okay, did come with new clips, which is exciting. If you recall, these clips, they kind of sometimes break or stick in there when you pull the old one out. So the new one we're going to put on the same way, right? These are pretty tight, but if you just push hard, they'll go in. 5 of them in total. Okay. And then it would have been easier to do this before I put the bumper back on, but if you're like me and you're going to come back to this project after a while, good idea to throw your bolts back in. Thankfully I didn't lose mine. And I forgot what size they are, but I grabbed a 7/32, and that seems to fit. It's going to be a little bit of a gain to get it lined up with the bottom there and pressed in as we go. Okay, it was actually way easier than I thought it was going to be. So that's cool. And these don't have to be tight on the reinstall. I'm just going to go finger tight and then come back through with my 1/4-inch ratchet, give like a half a turn, something to set it in place. Half a turn, half a turn, half a turn. That looks pretty good. And honestly, sitting behind the metal bumper, ooh, this one felt like it needed 3/4 of a turn.